In this video, I'll be showing you how to change the color of your keyboard on Android phone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So what you want to do is go over to your settings application. From here, scroll down and towards the bottom, you're going to see general management as one of the options. Then go over to your keyboard where it says like keyboard or Samsung keyboard settings or even Gboard as well. So once you go ahead and click on it, they're going to see a lot of different options. But what you want to do is go ahead and find the theme settings. So right now I'm on Galaxy themes. And what I could go ahead and do is I can turn the toolbar on and off as well. I'm also going to see a theme section where I can select themes as well if I wanted to go ahead and do that. What I could do is also choose my default keyboard as well if I want to do that. But then I can go to Gboard settings, go over to theme, and there's going to be so many different themes that I could go ahead and choose from. So if I wanted, something very different, I could go ahead and download something as well if I want to, and then just press apply, and then I'm going to use that latest one. So yeah, it's up to you which one you want to use, since most Android phones just use Google Keyboard as their native keyboard anyway, and then that's it, you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.